Alright, we're gonna do a full walk around of the exterior of the car. Show you all the imperfections. Rock chips in the hood, as detailed in the pictures, in the bumper. Quick thing to note, these aftermarket LEDs, these are actually the original headlights. In order to remove those, it's a pretty easy process. You just have to remove the headlight and they pop right out. So if you don't like the look, not a big deal. You can do it yourself. A couple of scratches on the hood. All right, inside of the car, we'll go through all of the windows and see what else we have in here that we can show you. Left window, left rear window works. Right window, right rear window. Sunroof works, however, the sunshade is stuck back there, so you can actually pull it manually. I just doesn't bother me. I ride with it with the sunshade open the entire time, so other than that, the sunshade works perfectly. You do have the ability to play music directly through your phone via this USB port and an aux port, and it goes directly to the screen too, which is nice. And the steering wheel controls work for that specific reason as well. Obviously has a tape deck, Sirius XM radio. FM. And then that's your phone USB attachment. All of the pixels work on everything. There are no dead pixels. Aftermarket cup holder installed as well. I'll run you through the menus. About 20 miles per gallon, which is not bad. Errors. All of the seat controls work as well. No rips or tears in the seat. A little bit of creases, but then again, yes, this car has 144,096 miles on it. Once it's warm here, it's getting to warm temperature, we'll take it out for a driving ride. was about 75% throttle. This car does have a sport mode too, also. I will engage that afterwards. I don't really feel a difference in it, to be quite honest. Maybe the throttle is a little bit more responsive, but I rarely use it. I think I've used it one time, and it was the only time that I discovered it. But nice to know that it has it. All right, to engage it in sport, simply move it over. And the little S pops up. A little bit more responsive. I could definitely tell a difference. And again, I was about 60% throttle there. If you do go more, the rear tires will spin. So just FYI, this car is not meant to be driven that way, but it's definitely nice to know that you have the power if needed. And I will end this video now before I get arrested.